Welcome to TechNTechie, your go-to source for all things tech. Today we are diving deep into the world of cloud file management with MultiCloud, the ultimate solution for simplifying your digital life. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of MultiCloud and show you how to harness its full potential to streamline your workflow and take control of your cloud files. Hey everyone, it's Ganesha from TechNTechie, and today we are tackling a common problem faced by many of us, managing multiple cloud accounts and files scattered across different platforms. But fear not, because MultiCloud is here to save the day. Let's start by taking a tour of the MultiCloud platforms and exploring its user-friendly interface. As you can see, MultiCloud provides a centralized dashboard where you can easily access and manage all your cloud accounts in one place. No more jumping between tabs or logging in and out of different platforms. Now let's talk about one of MultiCloud's standout features, file transfer and syncing. With MultiCloud, you can effortlessly transfer files between different cloud services with just a few clicks. Whether you are moving photos, documents, or videos, MultiCloud makes it a breeze to keep your data in sync across all your accounts. But wait, there's more. MultiCloud also offers robust cloud backup capabilities to ensure your important files are safe and secure. By scheduling automatic backups, you can rest easy knowing that your data is protected against loss or corruption. Plus, with MultiCloud's intuitive backup settings, you can customize your backup strategy to suit your specific needs. Let's talk about the MultiCloud. What is MultiCloud? MultiCloud is a cloud management platform that allows users to manage multiple cloud services in one place, effortlessly transfer files between different cloud storage services using MultiCloud's initiative interface. MultiCloud supports popular cloud storage providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and many more. Easily organize and sync your files across various cloud platforms with MultiCloud's seamless integration. MultiCloud offers a convenient solution for backing up and migrating data between different cloud accounts. Experience enhanced productivity by accessing and managing all your cloud storage accounts through MultiCloud. With MultiCloud, users can streamline their workflow by centralizing cloud file management tasks, collaborate efficiently by sharing files across multiple cloud services using MultiCloud's collaborative features. MultiCloud provides a secure environment for transferring files, ensuring data privacy and integrity. Learn how to set up and maximize the features of MultiCloud through comprehensive tutorials and guides. Enhance your understanding of cloud computing concept with MultiCloud's educational resources. Discover tips and tricks for optimizing your cloud storage usage with MultiCloud's insightful content. Become proficient in managing cloud services by leveraging the functionalities of MultiCloud effectively. Explore advanced features within MultiCloud to further streamline your cloud storage management tasks. Increase efficiency in handling cloud data by utilizing the tools provided by MultiCloud. Stay organized and structured in your cloud storage activities with MultiCloud efficient file management capabilities. MultiCloud empower users to control and transfer data seamlessly between different cloud services. Utilize MultiCloud synchronization tools to ensure consistency across all your connected cloud accounts. Optimize your workflow by automating file transfers between different cloud storage platforms with MultiCloud. Let's dive into the dashboard of MultiCloud. To sign up, we need to click on Get Started. We will get one new Windows with sign up page, and with that we'll get free 5 GB data traffic every month. That's good, right? Oh, perfect. So here we'll enter the email ID and the password to create an account. It will ask for the verification code. We need to enter that to create an account successfully. Here we are now. Once we get in, we will get an option to add cloud here to connect the cloud drive to MultiCloud. Actually, when we sign into our newly created account, then it shows the steps where we can get the options and how we can use it. Like here, it is showing that to create a task for cloud transfer, team transfer, cloud sync, and cloud backup. Now, there we are in dashboard where we can see various clouds to use for personal and as well as for business. Just we need to click on the required cloud drive to connect it to MultiCloud. Nowadays, there is World Backup Day sale is going on and it gives 70% discount. Wow! And limited data as well as on purchasing of unlimited data. Here you can see the prices for the limited and unlimited data which can be used for per month and per year as per your requirement. Here on a dashboard you can have multiple or say various clouds for personal use and for business purposes. Oh wait, I think we need to activate this account first before proceeding to add any clouds. Once we register, we get an email to activate the account. From here, we can click on Activate Account button to activate this, and there we are now in the MultiCloud platform. We just need to log in again by the credentials. No problem, we can do it. Now, we can add here some of this cloud account. I will go with Google Drive first. Just click on it and here we need to add our Google Drive email account and password. Follow all the MFA instructions and steps to get this done properly. Once it gets connected successfully, your all data can be seen into MultiCloud platform on your Google Drive. Once more cloud account need to be added. So what we are going to add now, let me think. I will go with Dropbox for now. And main important is that from a single account we can get access into all these cloud account in a single platform which is MultiCloud. Wow, awesome. And thanks to MultiCloud with all these various cloud options in one place. Click on Dropbox to sign into the account by the same email ID and the password. You can try with a basic account or if you need, you can upgrade your Dropbox account. By following the steps, you can successfully get connected to the Dropbox account in MultiCloud. Yeah, here it is now with completely empty space. Now what we would like to do, we will do one transition from Google Drive to Dropbox. Let's do it. Select a Google Drive and choose any one file to transfer to your Dropbox. It is showing here three options: transfer, email and filter. Under transfer options, you will get to see delete all source files after transfer is complete, and few options are shown here like this. Under email options, it is used for if you want to send an email notifications when the selected tasks get completed. Perfect. Under filter options, you will get to ignore such files with extensions like JPEG files or .mp4, etc. Whichever you would like to ignore, that you have to select here. Here few more options below to these can be seen. Schedule. Under schedule, you can set the transfer date, day and time for the selected file, or can set to run the task on daily basis, weekly. You can select all the days or any single days on weekly basis or any date on a month. Now time to choose a file to transfer from Google Drive to Dropbox. Let's select any one or more than one file and go for it to transfer these files. Just click on transfer button. Once done, we'll add this task on task list where you can see the process of file transferring. Oh, nice, perfect. Due to network issue, maybe it's taking time. No problem. Till it gets successfully transferred, we'll add another task same way, but this time we'll do for one file. We have to wait till it gets complete. Yes, Here it is transferred successfully, but the previous task get failed. No problem. We'll do it again by click on transfer. Till this one get done, we'll check the files on Dropbox to confirm that's been transferred successfully. Let's select the Dropbox and yeah, there are the files. Perfect. But here one more file present. I think that first task also completed successfully. Let me check. Oh yeah man, it is done. So come back again in Dropbox and here are those all the files. Awesome job man. Wow. Okay, and now we will see the another method of file transition, that is copy to. Anyway, we will select another file to transfer. We will select any one file from this personal data folder which we would like copy to. It will give the new windows on which we need to select the cloud where we like to have the copy of this file. Here we have Dropbox for now, but you can add various cloud here as per your requirements. Click on OK to proceed it. Here on right bottom you can have the small progress windows which show the detail and status of all tasks. Now the another method is shared file. Share with others with public share access, private share access and source share. For now, I will go with private share options because it has the secure option to protect the file with password. You just need to copy the link and share that to email, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest or LinkedIn, wherever you would like or the recipient available to grab it. Another method of share is create a transfer. Once you click on this option, then it will give you another windows to create a transfer. After transfer created, it will ask you to copy the link or can send an email the link. Actually what we can get by this option, and let me check this link in another tab to browse it. Yeah, this file is correct perfectly. See, many more options available here to save this file to various clouds. Can download this file directly on your local drive. Okay, we don't need this for now, so I will close this one. You can directly cut, delete, or if you like can preview or rename the file whatever you want. Wherever you would like to have your own files you can have it. We have seen transfer method, copy to. Now we will see team transfer method. With these options, if you need to add a shared drive like Google Workspace, then you must have your domain installed and a G Suite marketplace application, say Cloud Transfer, MultCloud, to click on access organization. But if you would like to access your personal cloud, then you can click on access personal cloud. Once you've done this, then you have to add the target cloud, then can see the source account and target account to start the transfer process. It's very simple. MultCloud offers the cloud sync. It has two types of synchronization, normal sync and real-time sync. For this, you just need to select the folder from options and to which cloud you would like to sync those folder. You can select the one-way or two-way sync as well. I will go for two-way synchronization here because if I do some modifications on any one of the clouds file, then that should be synced normal way or on real-time way as per my selection method. Here it is successfully synced to the Dropbox. And let me check now in Dropbox. Yeah, all files are here now. If I delete any of the file from here, then it should be deleted from Google Drive as well, I think, right? But that should be worked once synchronization get completed next time. The last option for now is the cloud backup. With these options, we can make a copy of files or folder to the another available cloud. Let me show you how we can do it. Click on File to Backup. Here I will select the Google Drive and on it the folders which is Sweet Memories. On this folder there are JPG files, so I would like the backup copy of those all JPG files on my Dropbox cloud. Okay, well, click on the backup now to start the process. It will add to the task list so we can check the status if we want. It can be worked online if you want. You can shut down your system, and when you get a chance, then you can check this later on. Yep, the backup process is completed successfully. To cross-check, you can go to Dropbox and verify your all files. Perfect, those all have in there safely. Yeah man, it's there. Let's check here from media reviews and some satisfied MultCloud users who have experienced the benefits firsthand. Ready to revolutionize your cloud file management? Visit multicloud.com today to sign up for your free account and start experiencing the benefit of MultiCloud for yourself. Thanks for joining me on the journey through the world of cloud file management. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy cloud syncing.